Britain's push for net zero is facing a major warning tonight, and experts say Ed Miliband could be putting the UK's core industries in serious danger. 3 major industry groups have now written directly to the Energy Secretary, warning that Britain risks accelerating the decline of its own manufacturing base unless urgent action is taken. Did you know that over 95% of our viewers aren't subscribed to the channel? We totally get it. Life gets busy and sometimes it's easy to forget. But here in the thing, subscribing is completely free and it really helps us to keep creating the content you enjoy. So why hit that subscribe button and join our community? It only takes a second, but it makes a world of difference to us. Thank you for your support. And the message is clear: without cheaper energy, faster investment, and clearer government policy, key British industries could collapse. The warning comes from leaders in carbon capture, hydrogen, and industrial electrification, all sectors that are supposed to help Britain hit its climate goals. But instead of growth, they say businesses are facing soaring electricity costs, growing global competition, and endless political uncertainty. According to the letter, the UK has already seen 1/3 of its oil refineries close in just the past year. On top of that, 25 chemical industry sites have shut down since 2020, while parts of the steel industry have only survived because of government bailouts. Industry leaders are now urging the government to treat industrial decarbonisation as a matter of national security. They argue that sectors like cement, chemicals, fuels, and manufacturing are essential not just for jobs and investment, but for Britain's long-term energy independence. Daniel Patterson from Electrify Industry said Britain's artificially high electricity prices are becoming a massive burden on businesses. He warned that UK companies are falling behind in the global race to modernise because energy costs here are simply too high. Meanwhile, carbon capture experts say industries like cement and refining may eventually leave Britain altogether if the government fails to support new technology fast enough. Hydrogen industry leaders also warned that delays from Westminster are freezing billions of pounds in potential investment. Investors are reportedly ready to spend huge sums on clean energy projects, but companies say they still lack certainty from government. The groups are now demanding faster approval processes, long-term funding guarantees, and urgent support to lower industrial electricity bills. They also want tougher rules on imported goods, so foreign producers with higher carbon emissions don't undercut British businesses. In response, the government defended its record, pointing to £9.4 billion in carbon capture investment and hundreds of millions more for hydrogen projects. Officials insist Britain is becoming a clean energy superpower while protecting jobs and strengthening energy security. But critics say the reality on the ground tells a very different story. So the big question tonight is this: can Britain really achieve net zero without destroying the industries that built the country in the first place? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoy straight-talking UK news and politics content like this, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update.